Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Anna Vavilova, and in this video we're going to recognize major chord and minor chords. So they're both chords with 4 notes. We call them major seventh, minor seventh. And this video is for students who are preparing for level 10 exams and they want to recognize the chords and they want to have a little, test, which I'm going to do as well, where I will play for you back to back major seventh, minor seventh, and then you'll tell me what you hear. So first, please like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Let's dive in. So major seventh chord is consists of major triad C E G with major third above, so G B. Okay, so that's major chord. And this is a minor chord. So it consists of minor triad, C, E flat, G, with the B flat, minor third on top. That's why it's called minor. So that's that chord. I find that these two chords, they stand apart from all of the other chords, like major, dominant seventh, augmented, diminished. These have different sounding. They're more contemporary chord. They're used in impressionist music, modern music. So these are more of a modern chord. That's why I'm asking my students recognize the sonority. Is it more of a classical chord or more modern chord? So they both are modern chords to me, more contemporary. So now let's see, how do we recognize or tell them apart? So major chord. Because major chord finishes, the last note is B, which is a seventh leading note. It naturally wants to go up to the tonic. So it wants to resolve almost. And it has very bright, open sound to it. Okay, so that's major. Minor chord. Minor chord to me wants to fold into itself. It's closer, it's warmer, it's darker because it has minor triad in it. Maybe a little bit sad, but I don't hear it as sad. Okay, so in this video I'm going to play back to back for you major seventh and minor seventh and try to recognize it. I'll do 20-30 exercises with answers below. Please support my channel, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.